To make payments to the supplier for pending receive item entry or give an advance payment for new order, click on Setup option on the main screen. Now go to the Pay Supplier option on the first page of Setup. Click on Add Make Payment. Now you have to select a supplier. After the selection of supplier, you will see all the details of the pending receive item entries will get populated at the right hand side, with payment which has reached the due date highlighted in red and due date for payment has not yet arrived highlighted in green. To get detail of any pending received item entry, you can just select the entry and double click on it, which will open a new window with all the details of that received item entry in view mode. More details regarding supplier current advance amount, total received item entry pending amount, and other pending amount is displayed at the left hand. You will see that the supplier current advance amount is 0 and the total received item entry pending amount is 500, which is the sum total of the amount pending for both my received item entry. The other pending amount here is 0. The next is amount. Now the amount here is 250, as I have only selected one received item entry which has the pending amount of 250. If I'm selecting both the received item entry, the sum total of both the pending amount is 500. This will be the amount paid to the supplier. You can select any mode of payment, either cash or check. In case if you're selecting check, you need to enter the check number, bank branch, and the bank account number. You just need to enter the cash amount and select the cash register. For that, you can click on the three-dotted button and select a cash register. You will see that the advance amount here is 0. That is because the total amount to be paid and the total pending amount is the same. In case if the paying amount is more than the pending amount, then the remaining amount will be considered as the advance amount. Click on Save, which will ask a confirmation message for it. This will clear your pending receive item entry. When the next time you make payment to the same supplier, you will see the last remaining money will be taken as the advance amount now.